So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make text all capitals here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, first off, if I were just to go ahead and type in a random sentence, this is all lowercase, just like that. What I will do actually here is make the text a little bit larger in size so it's easier for you guys to see. So what this basically does, as I mentioned before, the text is all lowercase. Now, if you want to make the text all capitals, the simplest way to do it is to just go down, press caps lock on your keyboard, and then type in the exact same thing. So this is all lowercase. So that's the simplest way to do it. But let's just say, for example, you have everything typed out and you want to make it all capital without retyping everything. It's super straightforward. I'll highlight the text right here, go to the right hand side of your screen, go to this little gear icon right here, press on the drop down and go down to where it says capitalization. So as of right now, it says none, but if we're to go ahead and change this to all caps right here to make the text all capital letters, we'll go ahead and press on this. As you can tell, the text is now changed to all capitals. So if I were to go ahead and type, this is all caps, it's back to lowercase. If I were to highlight this exact thing, as I mentioned before, go to the gear, then press on capitalization, then press on all caps. It makes the text all capital letters. So a super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to make text all caps in Pages. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.